Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to do Python programming in VS Code. So there are so many other editors in market, but I would prefer to go for with VS Code. It's very easy to code in VS Code. So let's see how it works. Now open a new window. Now you need to install few extensions. So if you go here in the extensions part, you're going to see that I have already installed it, this Magic Python and Python extension. So the Python extension pack is not necessary, but if you install it, it will help you do the programming. But this Python is really important. Install this and it will tell you how to install it. Install linter, and this is how you go for it. It gives you examples how to do programming of Python in VS Code. So let's begin. What we will do is that we are going to open a folder. We are going to create a new folder. Let's say Python start. We are going to start it. We are going to select the folder. Now since we have selected the folder, we need to create a file. So let's create a new file. Save it. Now you'll see that there is a Magic Python extension. So save it as Magic Python. Give it lesson1. Save. So here you have the lesson1.python. So py is the extension for Python. So let's test it. So let's do print. So print is simply to print something. So let's print this very old, always new hello world. So in order to test it, you need debugger. Debugger is there. Just run it and it will show you the log. So the Python start, it means that Python is installed, it's running, and there it is. There's the hello world. So this was a simple lesson to teach you how to do programming in VS Code.